Well, here we go. Got another mail-in repair. Just never know what you find when you open up these boxes on these mail-in repairs. This one is for Darren. Darren is from Texas, Baytown, Texas. Said he's got a 1954 Johnson CD11. He wants the carburetor rebuilt, but he's got some surprises for us. He's got a broken throttle lever on the carb he wants to replace, and he needs all the springs, needle valves, and knobs for the carb. So I'm going to open the box up right now, and we're going to see what we're in for. Always a surprise. Prepaid return shipping label. That's good. He sent me some moolah. That's good. And he's got a note inside here. It says, Mr. T-Mike, I put O-rings on the high and low adjustments and needle valves. Not right either. I think he wants me to take the O-rings out instead of, he didn't put the packing washers in it, so we're gonna have to check for that. And he says, do you have knobs and springs for the high and low adjustment? And he says, throttle linkage, do you have that too? My name is Darren, please help. We got your back, Darren. I'm gonna make sure it gets shipped back to you right. All right, so here's the carb. He has a choke knob. I guess he just needs the springs and the knobs for the high and low speed. And he said the throttle lever was broken. Well, it's moving. The throttle lever is working. Choke is working. Okay, we're gonna take it apart and do a rebuild job on her and check out that throttle lever. There's a crack right there. On both sides of this shift gear is cracked. There's a crack right there and right there. So I think that's the piece he's talking about being broken, is cracked. So I'm going to replace this piece right here for him. Okay, we're going to let it soak overnight and put it back together. And I think this is the linkage part that's cracked that he's talking about. When you screw this down, it's cracked on the crown. So that's the broken part. That's the broken part we're looking for. We're looking at right there. Here's the explanation on the cracked part and why everybody misses it and why it's so important. So this is the throttle linkage. This is the throttle arm. Okay, that moves the throttle butterfly inside. There's a slot right here. See that slot? That slot on the throttle arm. This screw, this piece is squared off and has got to fit on that square. And the screw has to screw in. If his was not screwed in on the square, it was screwed in on the opposite side, that's what cracks it. So this slot, flat end, has to fit on that slot right there. It keeps it from moving left or right. That's most people's are cracked, and they shift on here, and it causes the linkage not to be lined up with the magneto and causes it not to run good. So this is a very important linkage right here. Got it? Okay, it's the next morning. She's been soaking all night. Let's put her back together. Darren had used O-rings. I took those out and I'm putting the proper packing washers in there. Okay, got the carb rebuilt, got him some knobs and some springs, and the broken the cracked linkage part I'm replacing with this one, which is not cracked. And that's gonna go, remember, it's gotta go with that slot right there. It's gotta go like this and screwed on right there. That's how it goes. Okay, Darren, your car's ready to get shipped back. Got your knobs on it, got the springs, found the crack on the throttle linkage and replaced it. All clean, should be ready to go. I hope y'all learned something about the throttle linkages and the problem you can have with that cracked linkage part right here. Hope you did. If you did, drop down in the comments and put a comment on the weirdest thing you found cleaning your carburetors. All right, so if you did enjoy it, hit the like button. Here's your next video, and remember, always remember the links below. Go to my eBay store, my website, and the parts broker link, and we're saving the hobby. The video comes out next week on June 15th for Who Won. Pay attention. Here we go. See y'all next video.